Hello students, in my previous video I taught you past perfect tense. Hope you understood the rules of past perfect tense. Students, you should practice many more sentences whatever is taught in the video lesson. Apart from video lesson, you can take help from the grammar book what you have. It will be a good practice for you. So just practice more and more to gain perfection. Today I will move forward with the next kind of past tense. It is past perfect continuous tense, last kind of past tense. This is the fourth and last kind of past tense. So just pay attention to it. Past perfect continuous tense describes an action which began in the past and continued up to a certain point of time. It means any action that started in the past and was continued for some time in the past. Means action was not over. It was continued for some time in the past. Just pay attention to the formation of the sentence. First of all, subject, then had been, then present participle means ing form of the verb, then for or since, thereafter other words. Students, you have to use had been with all the subjects whether they are singular and plural. So you will have no problem. So first example is he had been studying for 3 hours. Here with he, you can use they had been studying, she had been studying, children had been studying. With all the subjects you have to use had been plus present participle form of the verb, then for or since according to the use, according to the time. If they are definite or indefinite, you have to use according to them. Here it is telling period of time, so for 3 hours. Second, it had been raining heavily since Monday. Here it is telling point of time, so you have to use since. Again, with all the subjects I told you, you have to use had been plus present participle form of the verb. So it is very simple. Formation of interrogative sentences: had plus subject plus been, then present participle means ing form of the verb, then for or since or other words. So I have taken the same sentences to make you understand well. Had he been, had first of all had, then subject, then been, then present participle ing form of the verb, then for, then other words. Had he been studying for 3 hours? Had it been raining heavily since Monday? So just try to practice. You will learn it very easily. Formation of negative sentences: subject plus had not been, then present participle, then for, since and other words. So sentences are same. He had not been studying. After the subject you have to use had not been. It is very simple to learn. After the subject you have to use had not been, then present participle, then for or since. So he had not been studying for 3 hours. Here second is he. You can use they had not been, as I told you. With all the subjects you have to use had not been. It had not been raining heavily since Monday. So the formation of sentences are very easy, rules are very easy. Students, if you have to make interrogative, you have to use not just after the subject. Had he not been studying for 3 hours? Had it not been raining heavily since Monday? So formation will be like this: had plus subject plus not, then plus been, then present participle and for, since or other words. So students, just practice more and more. It will make you perfect. So whatever will be given in the worksheet, do attentively.